Have you noticed the latest Meta AI on WhatsApp? Dude, that's something else, man. But then look at all these other consoles that are in the market, and you start noticing this AI integration that has happened. So I first noticed this when I looked at LinkedIn. If you have been posting on LinkedIn recently, you see that they've embedded AI in their input console. Some few months I was inputting a post on LinkedIn and I saw this feature which was giving me an opportunity to improve my post using their AI that has been integrated onto the platform. Now that I have seen this introduction of Meta AI on WhatsApp, it has become a trend lately where we see this AI popping into our apps that we frequently use, and that is something special, but it comes at a price where we as users have to pay for the data that is required to make that AI work. I've seen on a number of technology blogs where people were sharing that this Meta AI is devouring their data, and we know that data is a bit expensive when you look into how exorbitant these artificial intelligence drain that data in the process of bringing you those prompts and other necessary updates. So yes, these kind of AI we are seeing on Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and I've also seen Microsoft introducing this kind of AI on their standard apps such as the Paint, that old Paint application that we used to draw these funny pictures. He has been introduced with these AI enhanced functionalities, and some of the most visible functionalities are the background removal, and I haven't really got to explore more on the other features that have been introduced. But this form of artificial intelligence that just appear on your applications after you upgrade or after you connect your device to the internet, I like to call that kind of AI embedded AI, because it's being integrated or being embedded into the platforms or consoles that you use. As a user, you are not going after this kind of AI. However, it's being introduced on the platform where you frequently work. So this embedded AI is transforming how we experience AI. And since I started my journey of explaining AI to business people, just say in the late months of 2022, when I left university, it was much difficult for people to understand what I was talking about. However, now that the majority are experiencing this artificial intelligence via their Meta AI, via WhatsApp and Facebook and LinkedIn, YouTube, all these platforms that people frequently go to chill is now enhanced with AI, and that makes our jobs as AI consultants much easier, because people will be like, oh, you mean this. And also in Zimbabwe, as you know, that OpenAI's ChatGPT has not been legally available to the masses, so it becomes easier for people to get familiar with consoles such as Paw.com. And I've seen a lot of people who are aware of this AI that we are exposed to. They are using Paw.com. This Paw.com is not the only AI console that we can use instead of ChatGPT. And I'm saying this because a lot of people have these sentiments about the tools they use on their daily basis. Some people are into Google Bard, some people are into Microsoft's Copilot, some people are into OpenAI's ChatGPT, and they've gone out of their way to make sure that they get to use ChatGPT. I mean, that way of redirecting their domain so that it looks like they stay in Germany, or it looks like they stay in Poland, so that they can have access to OpenAI's ChatGPT. And recently I was chatting to my friend who is in SA, and he's a very technical person, an electronics guy, and we were talking. I was asking him, so have you started using AI? And he was like, what's that, dude? What's that? So I had to start explaining to him what's really happening in the AI space and how it can help him in his operations as an electronics technician. So with that being said, we can clearly see that AI is still a new territory for a lot of people, as much as it has advanced since 2022. In my case, I've seen that a lot of people do not even know what AI is and how it can save them in their daily activities. Whether you're a student, whether you're a professional, whether you're a business owner, or whether you are a stay-at-home mom, whether you are a social leader, you run a church, you run an NGO, you run the government, AI is here to help you. AI is here to simplify the way you do work. So with that being said, we also can define AI as a computer that mimics human behavior in the endeavor to help or assist users to carry out activities that are repetitive and usually boring in a way that is scalable in the long run. So AI is definitely an invention that you definitely need to pay attention to and find out what's happening. And when you find out what's happening, I encourage you to create a business user case whereby you ask yourself how exactly this AI can be a valuable tool to you in the position you are today. So with that being said, I have created an AI booklet or a course called the Applied AI, which is a fairly simple to read and understand as a newcomer into the AI space. So I encourage you guys to get hold of me and purchase the course so that you get on board so fast in a quickened way that removes all the frustrations that comes with not understanding what AI is really and how it can best save you. So in closing, I would like to let you know that the best way to access AI is definitely to get your hands on the latest hardware. We've seen this on the Samsung Ultra S24 Ultra. It's a purely AI enhanced device. So if you get hold of that kind of a device, it means you're exposed to AI. And also those with laptops and smartphones, the best way you can also access AI is to update your software. Update your software, download the latest versions of those software. You will discover that they are coming with these AI enhanced features and functionalities which demystify how you can access AI, how AI can assist you, because one of the ways to discover how AI can become useful to you is to use it on a daily basis. And as you use it, you start noticing how it answers to some specific problems you face on your daily basis. So with that being said, guys, please subscribe to the movement now. Subscribe to Admire Kamtimbe on YouTube, and let's comment, let's engage. All the questions that you have, I can answer them on the platform. And I just want to see you progress using AI. I just want to see you making the most out of these AI opportunities. With that being said, stay well.